All right, today we're going to show you how to change a belt on a Kawasaki Ridge using the bolts that we sell on our website. Before we get into that too deep, we've only had this Ridge about a week, so we do not have our belt made for it yet. It's already in the works. There's going to be an improvement, so make sure you subscribe and like these videos so you know, or check our websites out a little later, a couple months. Hopefully this will be as long as it will take. So you take our bolt, and by the way, the price of it seems pricey for a bolt, but you have to consider we're including shipping. If you buy it with a belt later as an option, it'll only be about $4 or $5. But you take your bolt and screw it into one of the available threaded holes. I've got one here that I've been using. It is right-hand threads. It's hard for me to do left-handed, but I don't want to block your view. Screw it in. It's 17 millimeter. I use my big old impact. Hold it. All right, now our belt's loose. You set your impact to the side. You certainly can use a ratchet, whatever you like, and you just roll it off. All right, belt's off. One thing, this OE belt has arrows on it. Ours is not going to have arrows on it. Belts, believe it or not, are not directional until you use them. And so we always tell people to put the belt on the same way every time so you can read the right. And like that, I can read Kawasaki. I wrap it around my primary clutch over the top of the secondary. Roll it on. Take the bolt out. Then, even though this secondary keeps the belt loose, it's called belt deflection. Just go ahead, you'll see it's in the way down here. Roll it a few times until it rolls up about as high as it will go. All right, and that's it. One thing we didn't cover is you do not have to have a lift. You do not have to take your tire off, but you do have to take this inner fender liner out and the clutch cover off. I jokingly tell people all the time, if you can't do this part, probably want to do this part in here. But to take this inner liner out, it just has some pull pins. Always use, I call these dikes or wire cutters because the pull pin's got a groove. You can grab it, pull it out. Several of those. Take the screws out of the clutch cover, pull it off. It's easy, there's nothing blocking it. Have full access. So that's how you use the Hunterworks belt change bolt for the Kawasaki Ridge. Got any tech questions? Todd at hunterworks.com. Appreciate you guys, and if we can help you any way, let us know.